Choose the correct answer. 1/4 million pound equals space pound. We studied before 1 million equals 1 and 6 zeros from right side. Here we have 100. 100 divided 4 equals 25. So result here it will be 25. And remainder, here we have how many zeros? It will be 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So result it will be 250,000. The value of digit 7 in this number, we talk about value. We write 7 above it, and we put 3 zeros from right side. Result it will be 7,000. Milliard is the smallest number formed from. He said milliard has 9 zeros. If we want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 zeros, and we have 1. So how many digits here? It will be 10 digits. Which is greater here, 505 or 606? Sign here it will be 606. He said the highest common factor of 2 and 4. We have 2 and 4. 2 is prime number, so write 2. 4 we can factorize 4, 2 by 2. What is the common here? Common here it will be 2. So highest common factor it will be 2. Lowest common multiple of two numbers 3 and 6. We can factorize 3 and here 6. 3 equal 3 and 6 it will be 3 times 2. Lowest common multiple of this number it will be 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. The number is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. We have 2, 3 and 5. He said divisible, we make times. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. So here we choose what? 30. Three million, 3,000 and 3. 3 million, we cancel this. He said 3,000, here 30,000. Here he said the 3,000 and 3. So it will be third. Smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. So prime number started by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. 1 million and 100,000. Which is greater, 1,100,000 or 1 million and 100? Here we have 100,000 and here 100. So which is greater here? It will be 1 million and 100,000. The sum of measure of the interior angle for any triangle equals 180 degrees. The two diagonals are equal in length. He talk about diagonals are equal in length. Diagonals are equal in length in two things: rectangle or square. Here he said square and rhombus, it will be wrong. Square and rectangle, it will be the right. Perimeter of square, side length equals 4 cm, which is greater, or perimeter of rectangle whose dimensions 5 and 3. We talk about square. We write square, draw square like that. He said sides 4. Perimeter of square equals side. Perimeter of square equals side times 4. Meaning here 4 times 4 equals 16 centimeters. And the perimeter of rectangle, he talk about rectangle. He said its dimensions 5 and 3. Here we have 5, 3, 3. If we make addition here, we can say 5 plus 5 equals 10, plus 3 equals 13, plus 3 equals 16, or we can say 5 plus 3 equals 8, and we'll make times 2. So result here, it will be perimeter of rectangle equals also 16, so the sign here it will be equals 99,999 plus 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10, 0, and carry up 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10, 0, and carry up 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10, 0, and carry up 1, and so on. So final it will be 100,000. The number whose prime factors 2, 5, and 7. He said he want number prime factor is 2 and 5 and 7. 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 times 7 equals 70. So the number will be 70. 50 times 60. How many zeros here? 1, 2, 3. So we write 3 zeros from right side. And we'll say 5 times 6 equals 30. 3 square meter or space square decimeters. We studied before 1 meter equals 100 decimeter squared. Why? Because 1 meter equals 10 dc. 1 meter equals 10 dc meter, but we talk about square. So we have 10 times 10 equals 100. If we say 1 meter here to power 2, 1 square meter equals 100 square decimeter. Why? 10 times 10 equals 100. Here we have 3 meters, it will be 300. Perimeter of square, it's 36 centimeter. He gave me the perimeter. Then its side length. Side length equals perimeter divided by 4. Here we will say 36 divided 4. 36 divided 4 equals 9. 19, he said rectangle whose dimensions, we talk about rectangle, its dimensions 8 and 3. Then its area. Area of rectangle equals what? Area of rectangle equal length times width. length here equals 8 times width equals 3. 8 times 3 equals 24. In the opposite figure, he said the perimeter, we have numbers, sides here 2, 2, 2 and 5. We'll make addition for all of these numbers. We'll say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5. Here we have 6. 6 plus 5 equals 11. After that, he said 450,000 plus 462,000. We'll make addition. 3 zeros plus 3 zeros equals 1, 2, 3. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 5 plus 6 equals 11 and carry up 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 912,000. Here we make subtraction. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Be careful. 5 minus 8 doesn't go, so we'll make borrow. From 0 we can't borrow from 0, so we'll cancel 9. Take away 1, it will be 8. And 0 here, it will be 10. We'll cancel it also, it will be 9. And here 5, it will be 15. Count from 8 till 15, so it will be 7. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. And 3 minus 1 equals 2. Question number 23. He said 25 times 7 times 4. 25 times 4 equals 100. 100 times 7 equals 700. We said before 2 times 5 equals 10. 4 times 25 equals 100. And 8 times 25, 125 equals 1000. He said 9045 divided by 45. (9,045) divided by 45. 1 times 45 equals 45. 2 times 45 equals 2 times 5 equals 10. 0, carry up 1. 2 times 4 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. So we'll choose 2, write in quotient here 2, and here we'll write 90. Make minus, it will be 2 zeros. We'll put down 4. We put 4 down. We can't make anything, so we need also to put 5, but we must write 0 above. Here 45, it will be 1, and we write down 45, and finally 45 minus 45 equals 0. So result here it will be 201. He said Calculate the highest common factor between 24 and 40. We'll see here 24 and here 40. 24 equals 3 times 8. 3 is a prime number and we will factorize 8. 8 2 times 4. 2 is prime and factorize 4 2 times 2. So 24 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And if we want to factorize 40, we'll say 40 equals 4 times 10 and 4 equals 2 times 2. 10, 5 times 2. 5 and 2 also prime numbers, so we'll choose it. We must be careful. We arrange here 2 times 2 times 2 times space times 5. He said highest common factor. Highest common factor here we have 2 and here also 2. So highest common factor equals 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8 equals 8.